Good morning. Today I begin with mole concept. Atoms and molecules are extremely small in size and their numbers even in small amount of any substance is really very large. To handle such large numbers in SI system mole MOLE symbol mole MOL was introduced as a fundamental quantity for the amount of substance. Thus, 1 mole is the amount of a substance that contains as many particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. It has been found that mass of a carbon 12 atom is equal to 1.992648 into 10 raised to minus 23. Thus, number of atoms in 1 mole will now be equal to 12 divided by 1.992648 into 10 raised to minus 23, which is equal to 6.0221367 into 10 raised to 23. This number is called Avogadro constant, denoted by the symbol Na. Thus, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, and 1 mole of water molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Now, I am going to teach you something called percentage composition. Thus, mass percentage of an element is equal to mass of that element in the compound multiplied by 100 divided by molar mass of the compound. Let me take the example of water. Molar mass of water is equal to 18.02. There are two elements in water, hydrogen and oxygen. So let us calculate the mass percent of hydrogen and of oxygen. Mass percent of hydrogen will be equal to 2 into 1.008 divided by 18.02. 2 because in water there are two hydrogen atoms and 1.008 is the mass of one hydrogen atom. 18.02 is of course molar mass of water. So as for the formula, mass percentage of the element will now be equal to mass of that element divided by mass of the compound multiplied by 100, which is equal to 11.18%. Similarly, mass percent of oxygen will now be equal to 16, where 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. 16 divided by 18.02 into 100, which is equal to 88.7%. Finally, let me tell you the definition of molar mass, where mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called the molar mass.